You've dreamed about becoming a content creator by places like TikTok and Instagram and just packed. RedNote is where you should be in 2025, as it's still freshing with less competition and a highly engaged audience ready to discover new creators. Imagine building your audience from scratch, landing brand deals, and making money all within 30 days. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. As a RedNote agency owner with over 7 years experience helping business monetize on the platform and growing my own account from 0 to 46,000 followers organically without any paid ads, I know exactly what works. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to grow and monetize on RedNote. By the way, I never saw any video like this. That's why I decided to make one myself. So the things I'm going to talk about are pretty exclusive. Make sure to save it first. Let's dive in. The first week is for find your niche and optimize your profile. Step 1. Find your niche, aka stop posting random stuff. Nobody want to hear you talk about what you had for dinner, your bad haircuts, or how bored you're at work. Sure, that might work if you're Kim Kardashian. But if you're still building your audience, babe, it's time to wake up. What's a niche and why does it matter? Your niche is a specific topic that you create content about. More importantly, it's what makes people want to follow you. For example, I run a RedNote marketing agency, so I create content about RedNote strategy to help brand and creators. You need a niche so you know exactly what you're going to talk about and who you're going to talk to. How to find your niche? You can start by asking yourself these 2 questions. First, what's a topic you can talk about nonstop? Second, what do people always ask you for advice on? If you can answer this, congrats, you've just found your niche, because that's something you're either passionate about or good at. Listen, if you want a detailed guidance on this, keep watch till the end, where I offer something to skip trial and error and get you started on RedNote. Step 2. Optimize your profile for growth. Now that you pick a niche, your profile needs to tell people why they should follow you. Your bio should say who you are and the value you bring. For example, on my creator bio, I said I'm a digital nomad and an online business owner. I share tips on business, branding, and digital nomad life to help my Chinese audience to achieve time and location freedom. Use keyword in the bio to help with discoverability. If you're in the travel niche, mention it. If you're a coach, say so. And yeah, since RedNote primary audience is Chinese, write your bio in Chinese can help you connect with it. But since TikTok banned, more English speakers are joining the platform. So you've got both options. Last, choose a high quality profile photo. People already have trust issue in the real life, and online it's even worse. So trust me, using your own photo as a profile is important. It doesn't mean people will trust you just because of your photo, but it does show that you're a real person. That's everything for week 1. It's all about laying the foundation. And thank you for watching this far. The rest content are more exclusive, so keep watching. And also, don't forget to like and comment if you find this helpful. Your support will help me bring more valuable content in the future. The second week, you want to focus on create high quality content and get noticed. Step 1, post valuable and original content. Remember, RedNote isn't TikTok, so people don't just scroll mindlessly. They're looking for useful insight, relatable stories, and real connections. Think of RedNote as YouTube-style content in an Instagram format with a Reddit vibe. Sure, a random shocking shark video will get you views, but that won't build your brand. We want to hear your story, your struggle, and how we can grow together. And focus on bringing value, not just self-promotion. Here are some content that works on RedNote. The key, give people a reason to follow you by helping them. Step 2, optimize your title and thumbnail. Just like YouTube, this decided if people gonna click. How to write a great title. First, make it specific and benefit-driven. Second, use number-powered words. Third, spark curiosity. Fourth, keep it short and punching. For thumbnail, it's pretty simple. If you're building a personal brand, the easiest way is include the keyword and show your face. Zoe's tips before posting, ask yourself, when you're scrolling, would you stop and click on your post yourself? And is it clear that indicate what your content about? A bad title and thumbnail equal to no click. And the great one, it can double your reach. Step 3, the secret of getting discovered. SEO and hashtag. Unlike TikTok and Instagram, where your content dies in a few days, RedNote is a social search engine, which means SEO matters. Take me as an example. The posts I updated a few years ago are still bring me new likes and followers. How to optimize your posts for search? First, use popular search term in your caption and title. Second, add relevant hashtag. but don't overuse it. It's a max of 10 each post. Last, most important, write posts that your audience generally ask about. Now that you find your niche and post valuable content constantly. Now it's time for week 4. Avoid any mistake that could get you banned and start monetize. First, let's talk about common mistakes and shadow bans. Yeah, RedNote is pretty strict. Every post goes through a moderation. Break the rule, you're gonna be shadow banned. Or worse, banned for life. The common mistake I've seen first, leave contact info in the caption, comments, and DMs. Second, promote product or service under a personal account. Yeah, you do need a business account to share anything commercial. And also, you have to be a legit business. That's similar to TikTok business account, right? If you're a brand need help with business account, feel free to DM me or check my website. Second, this is what most people care about, monetization, aka how to make money on RedNote. Today, I'm gonna introduce 3 most common ways. First, brand deal. When you hit 1,000 followers, you can apply to be a KOL on RedNote and get listed on the KOL marketplace, so that brand can find you and pay you for sponsored content. By the way, KOL stands for Key Opinion Leader, basically an influencer on RedNote. I'll say RedNote is pretty straightforward about helping creators monetize. Unlike Instagram and YouTube, where creators probably need a third-party platform to help them connect with brands and potentially get sponsored. RedNote has built its own marketplace. It's like Fiverr meets influencer. So brand browse KOL profile and choose who they want to work with. And creator can also apply for the brand campaign by themselves on the marketplace. Second, affiliate marketing. Again, once you have over 1K followers, you unlock the affiliate marketplace, where you can select products that match your niche and add them to your post event profile. So when people purchase through your link, you earn the commission. Third, this is the easiest way to monetize. You don't even need 1K followers. That is selling your own product or service. For any creator who want to sell product, it's always the easiest to sell the digital product or the service, like coaching or course, because they require 0 shipping, no inventory, and 100% profit margin. For example, I also sell my digital course on RedNote by opening a shop. Just to note, if you're a foreigner, aka non-Chinese, you will need a business license to open a shop. I think this applies every marketplace, right? Finally, you've watched till the end. Here's your detailed 30 days action plan. Yeah, I do offer a down for your service, which is more premium. But to make my expertise more accessible to everyone, I packed my 7 years of knowledge about RedNote into a comprehensive blueprint. It covers everything from find your niche and monetize strategy, so you can start taking action by yourself and turn your passion into profit. In this 45-page blueprint, you will learn about the unique algorithm of RedNote, how to build a personal brand, how to create a content strategy, how to actually post. You will also learn everything about how to leverage the different features of RedNote, the hidden feature I believe a lot of people don't even know about. And of course, how to monetize in a more detailed way, where I show you exactly how to do it step by step. And the customer who bought it a week ago told me he already got a brand deal. I'm so happy for him. This blueprint is perfect for you if you actually value your time and want a proven strategy that works. And you see this as an investment that can pay you back tens of thousands for the cost of one dinner out. You get everything you need right away to start your RedNote journey. If you've been thinking about becoming a creator for a while, 2025 is a perfect time to start. We can make a living doing what we love. I'll leave that link in the description. Bye, I'm Zoe. See you next time.